Hello, welcome back guys to Sportarea channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a new Google account on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click a subscribe and the bell button below to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, you just have to make sure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi or to the internet like this. And then you just have to open the application of Google. Or you also can open the Googles here by settings, because in every Android phone there are Google settings on the settings phone. Now here I'm gonna open the settings and scroll it down until you find the Google options. And after, click the Google options and now click to sign in. It's look like if you do the same thing at the Google application, guys. You just have to click this account icon at the right side at the top and you just have to tap sign in as before. And now to create a new Google account, you just have to tap on this create account first. At the bottom, you just have to tap it. And then at the pop-up, you just have to choose the Google that you want to make or you want to create. It's for personal or for the child or also for the business. And here, for the example, I'm going to create a personal account, the first one. And then you just have to apply your first name and your surname. But for the surname, it's optional. You can apply it or not. And after, click the next button. Here in this page, you just have to apply your birthday and your gender at the column below. And after, for the gender, you just have to click it. Here, I'm gonna choose this one, rather not say. And after, click the next one. And then here, you can create your Gmail address. And after, click next again. Now at this column, you just have to create your password for your Gmail account. And click next again for the next page. You just have to wait for a second here. And then at this page, you can add your phone number, but here I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna tap on the skip button here at the bottom. And you can see this is my Gmail address that I have created. Now text on the next button again. You just have to wait for a second because it's loading. And for the privacy and terms, I'm gonna scroll it down and tap I agree. And yeah, you can see this is my Gmail address. It's already created. So here, if I'm going to open the Google apps, it's already have an account, you guys. So yeah, I think enough from this video and from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment and likes below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.